How to turn on flash notifications on iPhone. Here's how to enable LED flash for alerts. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down to the Hearing section and select Audio and Visual. Now, scroll to the bottom and tap LED Flash for alerts. Turn on LED flash for alerts to make your iPhone's camera flash blink whenever you receive supported calls or notifications. If you also want the flash to work while you're actively using your iPhone, enable Flash while unlocked. Otherwise, the flash will only blink when your iPhone is locked. That's it! Your iPhone will now use the camera flash for incoming alerts, making it easier to notice calls and notifications, especially in silent mode or noisy environments. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and troubleshooting guides.